Ang lesson natin ngayon ay tungkol sa salitang sometimes o minsan sa Tagalog. Sometimes. She sometimes wears her hair in a bun. She sometimes wears her hair in a bun. Kahulugan, ipinupusod niya minsan ang buhok niya. I just want to be on my own sometimes. I just want to be on my own sometimes. Minsan, gusto kong mag-isa lang ako. I sometimes sleep in. I sometimes sleep in. Minsan, tanghali na akong gumigising. You sometimes get out of line. You sometimes get out of line. Minsan, sumusobra ka na. You get on my nerves sometimes. You get on my nerves sometimes. Nakakainis ka minsan. I'm in a bad temper sometimes. I'm in a bad temper sometimes. Mainit ang ulo ko minsan. Sometimes, it's best not to say anything. Sometimes, it's best not to say anything. Minsan, mas mabuting wag na lang magsalita. His jokes are funny, but sometimes he goes too far. His jokes are funny, but sometimes he goes too far. Nakakatuwa ang mga biro niya, pero minsan sumusobra naman siya. Sometimes he acts as if he were my boss. Sometimes he acts as if he were my boss. Minsan, umaasta siya na parang akala mo amo ko siya. I sometimes use scissors as a can opener. I sometimes use scissors as a can opener. Minsan, gunting ang ginagamit kong pambukas ng lata. I sometimes put a little salt in it. I sometimes put a little salt in it. Minsan, nilalagyan ko yun ng konting asin. My job can be annoying sometimes. My job can be annoying sometimes. Nakakabwisit minsan ang trabaho ko. I sometimes forget to water my plants. I sometimes forget to water my plants. Nakakalimutan ko minsan diligan ang mga halaman ko. I sometimes do the dishes for my grandmother. I sometimes do the dishes for my grandmother. Ipinaghuhugas ko ng plato minsan ng lola ko. Sometimes I take the bus to work. Sometimes I take the bus to work. Minsan nagbubus ako papasok sa trabaho. Sometimes I go by car. Sometimes I walk. Sometimes I go by car. Sometimes I walk. Minsan nagkokotse ako, minsan naglalakad. My temper sometimes gets the better of me. My temper sometimes gets the better of me. Nadadaig ako minsan ng init ng ulo ko. He sometimes comes home late. He sometimes comes home late. Minsan gabi na siyang umuuwi. We sometimes meet at the mall. We sometimes meet at the mall. Nagkikita kami minsan sa mall. We all make mistakes sometimes. We all make mistakes sometimes. Lahat tayo nagkakamali minsan. I feel sad sometimes. I feel sad sometimes. Minsan nalulungkot ako. I work 8 hours a day, but sometimes more than that. I work 8 hours a day, but sometimes more than that. Nagtatrabaho ako ng 8 oras sa isang araw, pero minsan higit pa ron. They sometimes have trouble making decisions. They sometimes have trouble making decisions. Minsan, nahihirapan silang magdesisyon. I sometimes see him at the bar. I sometimes see him at the bar. Nakikita ko siya minsan sa bar. I play tennis with her sometimes. I play tennis with her sometimes. Kalaro ko siya sa tennis minsan. I sometimes dream of my dogs. I sometimes dream of my dogs. Minsan napapanaginipan ko ang mga aso ko. We also eat there sometimes. We also eat there sometimes. Doon din kami kumakain minsan. I sometimes talk to my neighbor across the fence. I sometimes talk to my neighbor across the fence. Minsan, kinakausap ko yung kapitbahay ko sa kabilang bakod. I find it hard to concentrate sometimes. I find it hard to concentrate sometimes. Nahihirapan ako mag-concentrate minsan. I sometimes look back on my childhood. I sometimes look back on my childhood. Minsan, binabalikan ko ang pagkabata ko. It's sometimes difficult to control our feelings. It's sometimes difficult to control our feelings. Mahirap kontrolin minsan ang nararamdaman natin. He sometimes drops in on me. He sometimes drops in on me. Pinupuntahan niya ako minsan. Sometimes it's necessary to be strict. Sometimes it's necessary to be strict. Minsan, kailangang maging mahigpit.